how on earth does this tanner have 21,000 perfect reviews? This self tanner is animal cruelty free. It's all natural ingredients. It's made by a woman and there are no dyes. And that's why I love this, because you cannot find a tanner that's all natural like this, that's going to give you the best sun-kissed tan ever. And I'm going to show you how I apply it to my face. I trust this product so much that I have no reason whatsoever to worry about putting this on my face. So I just put some on my hand and then I dab it and I go throughout my face and just put it on just like that. And I trust that I will notice in the next probably, I don't know, about 4 hours, I'm going to see this amazing color start popping out, and it's going to look like I spent the day in the sun, which is not true, because with my fair skin, there is no way that I'm going to spend 4 hours in the sun trying to get a sun-kissed look. So I absolutely love this, and it goes on amazing. It smells amazing. And the other thing that I love about this is once the glow starts coming out, I will not have to apply much makeup at all. I'll just kind of, brighten it up and put some mascara and eyeliner on. So if you are looking for a sun-kissed look in just a few hours, this is the perfect 21,000 review perfect self tanner.